This exam application tutorial is on the topic of classification. The question for 6 marks is describe how vertebrates are organised into different groups. What this question is asking you to do is state the features we use to organise vertebrates and then link each class, in other words mammals, reptiles, birds, fish, etc., to their specific features. So let's deal with the first part of this question. What are the features we use to organise vertebrates? Vertebrates are organised according to how they perform gas exchange. Don't say breathing, it's not the same. Only organisms with lungs can breathe, but every organism performs gas exchange. How they reproduce and how they regulate body temperature. So now let's examine the features which are specific to each class of organism. Well, mammals, such as bears, are viviparous. That means they give birth to live young, they don't lay eggs. They are homeothermic, that means they can control their own body temperature and perform gas exchange through their lungs. So you can see that here. Reptiles are oviparous, that means they lay eggs. They are poikilothermic, that means that their body temperature is controlled by the environmental temperature. If it's hot, they heat up. If it's cold, they cool down. And also perform gas exchange through their lungs. And you can see that here. So hopefully you're understanding the formula to this answer. Birds are oviparous, homeothermic, and perform gas exchange through their lungs, and you can see that here. Fish are oviparous, poikilothermic, and perform gas exchange through their gills, as you can see. And finally, in a slight spin on this one, amphibians are oviparous, poikilothermic, and perform gas exchange through their lungs, but also through their moist skin. So you can see that every class of animal here have their own distinct set of features. And if you have, for example, these features, that's what makes a mammal. If you have these features, that's what makes a reptile, etc. Once you understand the rhythm to this question, it's really easy to answer.